Eli, what's up?
Oh, hey, what's up, Trevor? Nice ride.
I know, that's pretty sweet.
Hey, how many horsepower you got in there?
It's like 1,500.
Can I see under the hood?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a turbo 2.0 FSI. It stands for 2,000 feet per second.
Hey, you know, it's not bad. I mean,
It's not as fast as I can run, but yeah, it's cool.
hey, let's take it for a spin around the block.
Okay. So what do you think?
This is awesome.
Alright, let's go check out our Australian engine.
Sounds good. 2008, fourth period, A-OK. The winner of the 2008 Sterling Engine of the Year award. Just lighten up a little bit of sterno. Dry ice going on the bottom.
Probably shouldn't touch it.
Probably shouldn't touch it, but hey.
Alright, see you later.
Nice to see you, Trevor.
This is our engine without any heat source. It's been this way for about maybe 30 seconds now. We get no candle. No candle. Maybe it's slowing down, I can't tell.
It's pretty much twice as fast as your engine is going right now.
Yeah.
And yours has a candle.
Sorry, Josh and Thomas, it's a bummer. Yep, still no candle. No candle the whole time. No candle. I believe this is what they call perpetual energy or something like that.
Perpetual motion, yeah.
Perpetual motion.
I'm pretty sure that they spent hundreds of years trying to discover it. Well,
Sorry, we beat them to it. We're gonna stop it now because it's gonna keep going forever. It's gonna get